This is the replacement toner cartridge for the TN850 Brother all-in-one machines. Picked these up in a 4-pack. I'm a repeat buyer of this brand. Been using Brother all-in-one machines for many, many years. And these toners are just great. Very phenomenal. Very high page count out of these. I like the fact how they're sealed here. Again, picked this up in a 4-pack. They come in nice styrofoam packaging. So when you take these out, it's going to be very safe and very secure. This is all wrapped very tightly here. Very pleased with these. If you're familiar with the Brother machines, you definitely did a lot of use out of these toners. They last for a long time, but you always want to have one on standby because when the machine tells you it's low on toner, it could go out in 1 hour or it could go out in 1 week. So you always want to have one of these as a backup so you're not losing your printing capabilities. But again, TN850, you're going to get a lot of page counts out of these. Very pleased with these. Again, pick this up in a 4-pack. So if you have a Brother all-in-one machine like the MFC, the HL version, it covers a lot of different ones, but we have the MFC 8400 series. That's the copy, printer, scanning, faxing. It does all of it. This is definitely what you're going to want to pick up here. TN850. Highly recommend these.